Hi guys. Gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo konti ng topic na your worth is not based on social media likes, and stop comparing yourself to others. Kasi some of you might like you know telling me na maraming hindi namamansin ng mga big sisi, and bibihira lang yung mga namamansin na big sisi, ganyan. Guys, don't make it like a big deal na you are different from me just because of the followers, the numbers of the followers, or the engagement on or the likes. Guys, let me tell you, you are good enough, you are loved enough, and you have your own God's gift, 'di ba? Lahat tayo binigyan tayo ng God's gift, and i-maximize mo lang yung God's gift na yon. And ako mismo nagsasabi sa inyo, I also learned it not to compare myself to others. Wag niyo iko-kumpara yung sarili niyo sa iba. Hindi porket na, uy, ang dami niyang followers, ang dami niyang likes, ang dami niyang views, ang dami niyang engagement, ang laki ng kinikita niya or whatsoever. 'Di ba? Lalo kayo nanliliit, or lalo kayong, 'di ba? Ay, walang nangyayari sa mga ginagawa ko, or hindi naman ako gusto ng tao, or may mga bashers ako or whatsoever. Isa lang masasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Comparison is the killer of joy. When you keep comparing yourself to others, lagi nyo kino-compare yung sarili nyo na ganito ako, ganyan siya, ganito ako, ganyan siya. When you keep comparing yourself sa iba, nawawala yung joy nyo and yung feeling ng worth nyo sa sarili nyo, na feeling nyo na hindi kayo karapat-dapat. So, ako na mismo nagsasabi sa inyo, di ba, when you stop comparing yourself, you start appreciating yourself na I am a God's child. I have a lot of talents. I have a lot of potential, di ba? Kung kaya ng ibang mag-succeed, kaya ko rin mag-succeed. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang ang success, okay, in anything, di ba? I also learned it from different mentors. Yes, we are already successful, but you need to have that on your mindset na successful ka na. The fact that you are alive right now, you are already successful. But how are you going to become successful materially? When you seek God first. So when you seek God first, stop comparing yourself to others. Why? Kasi when you keep comparing yourself to others, para mo na ring sinabi na yung isang nag-succeed, favorite ni Lord, yung isa hindi, 'di ba? Or yung isa hindi pantay sa akin, ganito. Guys, pare-pareho lang tayong tao. 'Di ba? May ginawa lang yung iba kung bakit sila nag-materially good, 'di ba? Nag-okay, pero as long as moral, legal, ethical, 'di ba? Yun lang yung susundin natin. Let's not compromise na, for example, may mga nakita kayo nag-succeed ng mabilis or whatsoever, 'di ba? Be happy for them. Stay consistent sa mga ginagawa niyo. At yun lang masasabi ko, guys, na lagi tayong maging grateful kung ano man yung meron tayo. Kasi the more grateful you are, promise, mas maraming blessing ang darating sa'yo. Okay? So, stay consistent lang, and wag na wag kalimutan na your worth is not based on the social media likes. Diba? So, you're beautiful enough, good enough. Hindi mo kailangan i-compare yung sarili mo sa ibang tao. Kasi we are all created unique, eh. 'Di ba? Binigyan ka ng ganitong talent ni Lord, use it. Ganitong talent, use it. 'Di ba? Stop comparing yourself. You are worthy enough. So, yung mga self-talk, dapat maging aware kayo sa mga self-talk na 'yan. 'Di ba? Ay, kasi hindi masyadong na-like yung video ko, walang masyadong view, parang walang nangyayari sa ginagawa ko, ganito, ganyan. And tas nakikita mo yung iba sa social media, di ba? Ang dami niyang views, ang dami niyang likes, ang dami niyang followers, ganyan. You compare yourself, you belittle yourself. Guys, be very careful sa inyong mga self-talk. Kasi yung mga self-talk nyo na yan, you're telling to yourself na hindi ka karapat-dapat. No, guys. You are already good enough. 'Di ba? We are all uniquely made, 'di ba? And we are deeply wonderfully created by our creator. So when you stop comparing yourself, dun mo na makikita na, ay, magaling pala ako, ay, kaya ko pala, ay, yung joy bumabalik sa puso mo when you stop comparing to others and when you start being grateful. Okay? So, ituloy-tuloy nyo lang, and I'm here to support you, di ba? I really love connecting with all of you, and I'm happy to connect with all of you. So, God bless you. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day. Thank you, guys.